Very nice beads for the price. They look awesome and make for a nice accent to any knife lanyard. Be sure that you know the measurements as they are a bit on the smaller size. If you are good with that, then I definitely recommend them. Awesome beads can be used for lots of things: hoodie strings, zipper pulls, or just worn alone as a necklace. Heavy duty and well made. The color fades when it gets wet, but comes right back when it's dry. So don't panic. They come in different colors so you can mix and match. Nice little beads. These would be great for custom paracord zipper pulls. You may be able to combine them with another larger bead to add on some tassels to a paracord project or something. Quality is high. The color of the anodizing is accurate. No issue with the fit or finish. Just small,